Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to a new 2-minute tongue twister challenge. Today, the tongue twister is: any noise annoys an oyster, but a noisy noise annoys an oyster most.
Any noise annoys an oyster, but a noisy noise annoys an oyster most.
So the sound that we're practicing in this tongue twister is oi. And the words that have the oi sound are noise, annoys, oyster, noisy, noise, annoys, and oyster again. So it's that oi sound. Any noise annoys an oyster, but a noisy noise annoys an oyster most. Now, you try. How did you go? Could you say the tongue twister? Don't worry if you can't, it just takes practice. And practice is what you need for your English pronunciation. The more you practice, the more you will strengthen your English muscles and so improve your English pronunciation. For lots more tongue twisters, limericks, and other ways to practice your English pronunciation, head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, which you can find right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. So why not head over for a workout today? Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.